How to download and install Windows 10 for free. Hello to everyone. In this video I'm showing a step-by-step guide on how to download and install Windows 10 for free, or how to install Windows 10 on your PC or laptop. So, let me start. First, you have to download this Windows 10 disk image from the link in the description below. I already made a video that shows you how. Then open any web browser that is on your computer. Type to search Rufus. Press enter. Here open this first website. Move down. Click to download this latest version of Rufus. Even you can check the link from the description below to download it. Now, after downloading, click to open this folder. Drag and drop the Rufus software to the desktop. Done. Now you have to have at least 8 GB of the flash drive to make a Windows 10 bootable drive. Here I have a 32 GB flash drive. Now, double-click to open Rufus software. Click on Select. Click on the desktop to select the Windows 10 disk image. Here you have to make sure that you have chosen the right drive. Now under the partition scheme, you have to select the right one for your PC. So, for me in this video, I would like to use GPT. Now move down and then click on Start. Click on OK. Here you will get this warning that your data will be destroyed. So, if you don't have any data on your flash drive, click OK. Now Rufus will start making a Windows 10 bootable drive for you. Please, if you new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and even press the notification bell to be notified of the latest videos on the channel. Okay. Now once it's done, on this PC check if the flash drive is ready. Here you can see it's very ready. Now click on Start. Power option. And then click on Restart. Now here I have a list of boot option keys for different computers. You can choose for your computer. Now the setup will start. On this first page, click on Next. Here click on Install. Now on this page, if you have a product key you can enter it, if not, click on I don't have a product key. Here select the operating system you want to install. Let me select Windows 10 Pro. Click on Next. Check on I accept the license terms. Click on Next. Since we are installing a clean installation of Windows 10, you will choose the second option of Custom Install Windows Only. Now select the drive to where Windows is gonna be installed and then click on Next. The installation will start. So be patient. Now after copying the file, the computer will restart on its own. Or Or even you can click on Restart Now. So, your computer will start installing some features on its own and even reboot several times. So don't worry about it. Here select the region and then press on Yes to continue. Select your keyboard layout and click on Yes. Here click on the Skip. Now here tap on Offline Account if you already have the internet connected while setting up your computer. If not, then it's okay. Click on Limited Experience. Here enter your username for Windows. Click on Next. You can even enter the password to use. Well, for me, I will just continue without a password. Click on Next. Okay, so that's the easiest way to install Windows 10 on your computer. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and even press on the notification bell for more tech videos. We meet in the next one. Have a nice time.